wondered what makes Netflix so addictive, how it knows exactly what you want to watch, delivers shows in crystal clear quality, and keeps everything running seamlessly behind the scenes, well, you're not alone. That very curiosity sparked the idea for this podcast series, Streamflix, the tech behind Netflix. In this four-part podcast, we will uncover the technology behind the magic. We're diving deep into the technologies powering Netflix, from AI and big data to cloud computing, IoT, and even the ethical considerations of using AI in entertainment industry. This is the first of four episodes where we will explore how AI creates the ultimate viewing experience for you. And trust me, you don't want to miss the rest of the series. In episode 2, we'll look at how big data and cloud computing drive Netflix growth and profitability. Episode 3 is all about IoT and digitalization, improving video storage and streaming quality. And in episode 4, we'll tackle the ethical questions surrounding AI in entertainment industry. So, stay tuned to our virtual podcast and join us for all four episodes to uncover the secrets of how Netflix stays ahead of the game. Let's get started with episode 1.
Choose your moderator.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Streamflix, the tech behind Netflix. I'll be your guide as we explore how innovative technologies drive streaming services we love like Netflix. We are going to discover how AI transforms Netflix and keeps you hooked to your screen. From personalized recommendations to streaming quality and even chatbots, we'll uncover the secrets behind Netflix's incredible success. Joining me are our three expert panelists, Vitirina, a data scientist specializing in AI, Shasha, a cloud computing expert, and Rowena, an entertainment technology analyst. Welcome, everyone.
Thanks, Alvina. Excited to break down the magic behind Netflix algorithm.
Me too. Netflix is an amazing example of how cloud infrastructure can drive innovation.
And I can wait to share how AI impacts our entertainment experience in ways we don't even realize.
Wonderful. Let's jump right in. Let's kick off by touching on one of the Netflix most famous features, personalized recommendations. Vitirina, could you explain how Netflix seems to know exactly what we want to watch?
Of course, Netflix analyzes ratings, viewing histories, and even the duration of a show using advanced AI algorithms. Fun fact, these suggestions represent almost 80% of what Netflix subscribers watch.
That's interesting. And what about the technology behind it?
A big part is played by machine learning. Models used by Netflix are constantly learning from fresh data. This data feed into their AI models, which predict what you will enjoy. The two main techniques they use are collaborative filterings and content-based filterings.
Could you explain those a bit more for our listeners?
Sure, collaborative filterings create content recommendation by comparing your text to those of individuals who are similar to you. If someone who watched the same shows as you start a new series, Netflix might suggest that series to you. It is similar to having a friend who knows your taste but way smarter.
Adding to that, this system functions flawlessly thanks to platforms like Amazon Web Services (AWS), which provides the processing capacity required to handle all of this data at scale. It is a perfect combination of solid foundations and smart algorithms.
Let's discuss streaming quality, Shasha. How can Netflix guarantee seamless playback even when our internet isn't cooperating?
Great question. Netflix uses adaptive bitrate or ABR. The video quality is adjusted by this technology depending on your internet speed. AI ensures minimal buffering by continuously monitoring your connection and automatically lowering the resolution if your network is unstable.
That is fantastic. And since you mentioned about AWS earlier, what role does AWS play in this?
AWS is an important source of cloud computing for Netflix. AWS guarantees high performance, scalable infrastructure that can handle millions of streams at once. AWS Elastic Load Balancing, for example, effectively distributes traffic, and services like Amazon CloudFront maximize delivery speeds everywhere.
And that scalability is important. Without it, it will be really hard to provide smooth streaming at peak hours.
Rowena, Netflix doesn't just stream shows, it understands us too. So, how does it track user engagement to improve satisfaction?
Netflix uses machine learning to monitor metrics including completion rates, watch frequency, and watch time. Data analytics is the backbone here, which makes Netflix has a solid understanding of its audience. For example, if a lot of people stop watching a show after the first episode, that's a red flag.
Ooh, red flag. And what do they do with this data?
They use it to adjust their recommendation, promote content, or even decide which project to greenlight. It's a feedback loop that continuously improves the user experience.
Okay. And Shasha, back to you. What are some specific examples of AWS tools that Netflix employs to stay ahead?
Well, Netflix can effectively extend their operations by utilizing AWS serverless computing technologies like Lambda. A significant part of their AI innovation is powered by machine learning models that they develop and train using Amazon SageMaker. In simple terms, AWS enables Netflix to innovate without being restricted by infrastructure limitations.
Right. And SageMaker is crucial for making improvement quickly. AI models need constant updating and SageMaker simplify that process.
So, AWS isn't just supporting Netflix, it's enabling them to innovate faster. And finally, let's talk about AI powered customer service. How do AI chatbots improve Netflix customer service, Vitirina?
AI chatbots are meant to understand and respond to customer inquiries by utilizing natural language processing or NLP. They offer immediate support for matters including playback issues, subscription changes, and account setup.
And they are available 24/7, which means users can help immediately without waiting for human agent. It's all part of providing a seamless user experience.
Do these chatbots improve over time?
Absolutely. They learn from every interaction, so their responses get more accurate and helpful. Also, they free up human agents to focus on more complex issues.
These chatbots also require a strong system behind them to handle multiple user interactions efficiently, just like everything else we have talked about.
Wow, what a journey! We have discovered how AI optimizes streaming quality, tracks engagement, personalizes recommendations, and even offers customer assistance, all with the help of reliable cloud technology like AWS. Panelists, any last remarks?
AI is not just a tool, it is the backbone of how Netflix delivers a truly personalized experience.
And platforms like AWS are the overlooked heroes that ensure scalability and performance behind the scenes.
In the end, it's about leveraging technology to put consumers first. Netflix success show just how powerful the approach can be.
I couldn't agree more. And alright, that concludes the Streamflix, the tech behind Netflix episode for today. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your attention and the insightful comments from our panelists. Don't miss our upcoming episode, in which we'll examine how cloud computing and big data contribute to Netflix growth. See you then!
Upcoming episode.
Welcome back, everyone. I am Vitrina, your host for today. Now, the big question is,
Big data powered everything.
Netflix secures and streamlines its operation with API management solutions, preserving dependability and accessibility for its sizable global audience.
Setting a benchmark for streaming.
Audio Jungle.